Hello friends and fellow Disney fans, welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. My name's Brad and today we're on the beautiful Disney Wish and we're going to check out the Princess Aurora Royal Suite. This is a concierge level suite, one of two on the ship. Incredible. I'm excited to show this to you, so come along. So this is the Princess Aurora Suite. Wow. Goodness. So here's what I assume is your main living room area and kitchen. Unbelievable kitchen area and dining room. So open with a gorgeous view. Crown here. Again, just unbelievable attention to detail. One of the suites looks to be a queen bed. Beautiful television. Unbelievable. Walks right on out to the hot tub and veranda there. Pretty neat. Ooh, over here a vanity for getting ready in the morning. Walk-in closet that leads to your ensuite. Huge walk-in closet too. Just a massive walk-in closet. Then to your, just decked out in gold and this kind of sea gray, beautiful bathroom. You're gonna see me in the mirror. Ooh. But just again, a beautiful double vanity. You can see there a rainfall shower with a spot to sit. Did I skip something over here?
Bathroom?
Oh, there's another bathroom.
It is hiding.
Oh, it is kind of hiding. Oh, kind of a guest bathroom. How cool is that? Living room over here. Wow. Huh. As you can see there, the television rises up for you to watch. So here's your other major bedroom. Wow. Another gorgeous vanity. Overlooking. Well, today is the water off of Castaway Key. Nice little sitting area. The attention to detail is just breathtaking, right down to the gold inside of the lights. The little birds. Again, more crowns. If we head over here, you can see kind of a mural. Into a wraparound walk-in closet. Just wild. To what might be the most beautiful bathroom on the entire ship. What do you even say about something like that? Overlooking the ocean. Beautiful deep standalone tub. And then of course, yet again, another rainfall shower. Double vanity. Wow. And then of course into your toilet. And what you have out here might be the most beautiful veranda on the whole ship. I don't know if they're hiding a prettier one. Like, look at this, a hot tub overlooking the ocean. How amazing is that? So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that maybe you saw this and went, man, I'm so excited about potentially staying in that Aurora suite. If that's you, we would love to come alongside you and help you. My wife is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. She's like a concierge level service that works with you as you prepare for your vacation. And best of all, when you book through her, she offers up to $1,000 of onboard credit depending on how much you spend. And so if you are wanting to use her services, the easiest way to contact her is via email. Her email is jamie@clickthemouse.ca. You can also contact her via her website, www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie, and she is going to come alongside you and help. We can't wait to see you. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.